Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, and when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. So it is Monday morning and it's very loud outside, so I'm gonna just close that. It's Monday morning and I've just been getting ready. I woke up feeling so ill, you can definitely tell by my voice. Just everything aches, like my whole body is aching so much. It must just be from the cold. I'm really like bunged up. My throat is like throbbing, like my head's also throbbing. Like it's just a little shitty cold illness, but sometimes like they're the worst ones. Like I think I'd rather be sick, like actually sick, than this. Anyway, life goes on. I have a podcast meeting in an hour's time. Me, Meg, Hat, Beth and Lizzie are meeting up to discuss and sort of like plan the second episode of the S Word, which is really exciting. So I'm going to go do that first. Let us know if there's any questions you want us to answer. It doesn't have to relate to the topic. I think we're going to have like a mini section at the end of each episode where we just answer any questions, just so it has like fun little sections throughout the podcast. And we're just like experimenting with ideas at the minute as we are new to this, so please bear with. Like I said, we only have 2 microphones as well, so that's probably why you can't hear us all very, very clearly, which is annoying, I know, but it's the equipment we've got, so we're gonna have to deal with it and try our best to like utilize it to the best of our ability. And then after that meeting I've got a 1-hour lecture, and then I'm going to be heading to Wellingborough, which is my hometown that I hate. But I'm really excited because I get to see all my family and spend some good quality family time, cuddle my puppy, and hopefully do a lot of work whilst everyone else is out at work. So yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. I've just got a lot of shit to do, so yeah, let's go to Cafe Nero and meet the girls.
I've been looking for a way out, I can't find my way now, I just need you by my side. Lately I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no.
So I managed to catch an earlier train and I'm just about to arrive in Peterborough. My dad's picking me up from the station, I think with my grandparents, which would be so nice to have a chat with them as we head home. It's like a 40-minute drive. The train's just easier to get from Lincoln here rather than me changing loads on the train, and it's a lot more expensive. So yeah, I'm really excited. I can't wait to see everyone. I can't wait to see the dog. It's going to be just so lovely. I've just managed to finish some work on the train as well, which I'm really happy about, because I just get nervous that the train's gonna be really busy and I can't actually be productive, but I managed to have like a good productive train journey, finishing off my Guatemala presentation stuff. I just need to now put it onto the poster so that it's all formatted right for when we actually do the presentation and figure out what I'm actually saying. So yeah, I am kind of annoyed though because I did forget one of my things for my chemistry report that I need, so I'm gonna get Megan Hat to photograph it, I think, and then send me it so I can actually still do the work tonight and tomorrow for chemistry. But yeah, a productive little train journey, which I'm happy about, and now I'm just gonna head off. Try and make my way around Peterborough. I've been standing around for half an hour, which is fair enough. Like, I knew I was going to be a bit early because I got an earlier train. But my dad said they left ages ago. He's just rang me and said that they're stuck because there's so many like roadworks and diversions and stuff, and they just keep going around in circles and there's not really any decent signs and the sat nav's not working, so I'm gonna go try and find them. Peterborough's looking a little bit Christmassy though. There's like a little reindeer up ahead, so yeah, so I might be stuck in Peterborough forever. We go for a walk. Are we?
Once it runs, keep the touch dry, will it?
You got your coat on. He's got his reflective coat on, and I've got mine on as well, so we're going to be matching. Let's go. Don't want me to hold him. Get your reflective coat on, Barney. Hello everyone, so I am now home. We've just been on a lovely little walk. It took us a lot longer. Let me just pause the TV. It took a lot longer than expected because of diversions and stuff, but we're back together. We stopped off for a naughty McDonald's on the way back. My nan and granddad treated us to one, which was so kind of them, bless them. It's just nice to be back with my family and my little baby furry. My little baby furry. My little baby furry. My little baby furry. Oh, I love you. I love you. It's kind of shit though, because my dad's gone out tonight because he plays darts on a Monday, and he's got like some competition, and then my mum is working, so it's just me and Barney, which will be nice to bond and cuddle. I'm probably going to watch I'm a Celeb on my own, which is going to be fun. Gonna have a nice little cuddly evening in. I love you. Apparently I can't get into my room at the minute because Barney was chewing something, so they've had to put loads of like furniture in my room, which is not very good, is it, my little Barney bear? But yeah, it's so nice just being back in the comfort of my own home. Who is it? Who is that? Look! Look! Who is that? Oh, he's literally such an attention seeker. Like, if you don't like look at him or touch him within like 2 seconds, he's like he's scratching me like he is now. You attention seeker. He has to be like touching you at all times as well. I think it must be a puppy thing, I don't know. But he's always trying. I need to do some more work tonight, so hopefully when Barney settles down like he is now and goes to sleep, I'll be able to, I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. Yeah, when he settles down and goes to sleep, I'll be able to start doing more of my chemistry report before I'm a Celeb starts. Okay, we're playing apparently. Ow! Are you being naughty? Are you being naughty? I will see you. Look at his little face. I'll see you in a bit and I will show you some bits and pieces I've been sent to my house. I've got a November glossy box to show you for Black Friday, which is so exciting, so I'll show you that soon. Look, needy puppy. So I thought I would share my glossy box that came as a surprise to my house. So this is the Black Friday edition glossy box. It's obviously limited edition, so make sure you go grab it if you can. My discount code SHAREMILY20 if you fancy money off. I don't think it's an affiliate link, like I've never made money from this, so it's just literally to help you guys out, so don't think I'm like using you or anything. I absolutely love glossy box and I think it's such an amazing subscription box. So they always package it really nicely. I always am too impatient and ruin all the packaging before I show you. But in this month's, well, not in this month's box, in this special limited edition box, we've got some amazing products. So inside I have this diamond gold dust sheet mask, which is good for brightening, and it's actually from Vita Masks. I've heard really good things about this brand, so I cannot wait to try it out, and especially because it's like gold dust. I think that's really going to be really cute. And look really cool. Then I've got a beauty egg. I think this is from Unicorn Cosmetics. Yeah, so I've got another little beauty blender which I use all the time for my foundation and my concealer. Then I've got this intensive care leave-in conditioner, which I've never tried before. I've never really tried like leave-in conditioners, so I'm intrigued to see whether this is any good. Then I've got a hand cream from Sopa Duper, I think that's what it's called. It says Marvelous Magic Moisture Hand Cream. My hands and just my whole entire body is just chapped and dry from the winter, so this is going to come in very handy, and it's a huge product. It's like full size, it's massive. All of the products so far are like full size, so that's amazing. They've also sent a Novex deep hair mask, which again I'm very excited for. My hair is in need of a good little hydrate it with this, and I'll let you guys know. I'm sure I'll fill you in a future vlog whether this actually works. Then I've got this Imperial Leather foam burst, which is so cute. This is like a mini, but it still looks like it's got a lot of product in. It feels quite heavy. I've used these before. I'm really excited about this because I love a good foaming shower gel. Like, I just find them so fun because I'm a child, and the scents are always amazing. Then I've got this loose powder from the brand Affect. I think it's just a, transparent loose rice powder with matte effect. I actually don't have a loose powder at the minute. I sometimes avoid them because I have dry skin, but I will give this a go and let you know whether it actually works on like dry skin. Then I've got an MUA Bronzed Perfection Shimmer. These always come in really handy, and these last forever because they're huge. This is like a massive product, so I'm gonna have this for a very long time. And then last, oh no, there's 2 more products. Then I have a Carmex Moisture Plus Hydrating Lip Tint, which I've seen a lot recently. I've seen this advertised a lot on social media, so I'm really intrigued to see whether this lives up to the hype. And then finally I have this Lacquer & Co Cloud Lip. So I don't know if this is like a lip gloss maybe. Oh, this is like a lip, it looks like a lip gloss or like a lip balmy. It looks very dark, so very winter-esque. So I'm very excited to try all these bits and pieces out, and thank you very much to Glossybox for sending this super cute surprise package. I can't wait to try all the products, so woohoo!
Through and the rehearsal, the stand-ins did it.
Yeah.
It was able to complete.
Yeah.
Why you started with the crab, which is the hardest box, which was the furthest one away.
Hey everyone, so it's super late right now. I actually came and my boyfriend's mum picked me up, and I'm currently round my boyfriend's house. I'm staying here tonight. Me and Aiden's mum, Anya. Some of you may have seen her from the Turkey vlogs. We have the best time in summer, but I haven't seen her literally since summer and my birthday. I'm talking really quiet because I don't want to wake anyone up. We got loads of snacks from the local shop, and literally just had a little session just eating and watching I'm a Celeb and First Dates and just chatting and having a little catch up. It was so nice. So yeah, I've had a really good first date back at home. I can't wait to get productive tomorrow and do lots of uni work.